I've been here 6 years. I can't remember with the first superintendents that we had. But I know the second superintendents we had here, they sent out a note, a letter to everyone. Letting you know that garbage cannot go out before 7:30. It is a bylaw. You cannot put garbage out before 7:30. Well, you're not supposed to. Get on there. So they put out the notice. No garbage out before 7:30. It is the bylaw of the city. And let me get the lid on the vinegar. There we go. Vinegar. There we go. So now we have other superintendents, and no, we have just one superintendent, just a man now. Before we had married couples. And this superintendent, not that long ago, sent out a note. It is a city bylaw that garbage cannot go out before 7:30. Oh, I just went to the doctor's office at 1 o'clock and garbage is out. Yep. Must be very frustrating. Must be so frustrating. The garbage is actually out on both sides of the road, all up and down the road. All the neighbors have their garbage out. All down the road. Everybody's got all their blue boxes and everything out. Ooh. I gotta get garbage ready for tonight. I'm actually tempted to take mine out, but I won't. Nice to get it rounded up and out the door. But I won't do it. But I don't know. I guess if they don't reinforce it, or enforce it, sorry. Reinforce it, enforce it. And get after people, then people are going to put their garbage out during the day. Okay, I got stuff to do. Oh, yeah. I picked up some hydrocortisone cream. Ointment. See if we get rid of that rash.